Hi, my name is Cole, and I am currently a senior auditor. I was a transfer student from a bigger state school, and when I went to NEC, it felt better for me because it was a lot smaller. It was more community. In one of my classes, I had like maybe 10 students, and while I had a class at this other school that had like 150 lecture hall, and I talked to my professor, I think maybe twice the whole semester. So while at NEC, I got to actually know my professors and the students. I built more of a connection with everyone at NEC compared to the other schools at. So I think that really made me feel like a part of the community, and it made me feel like I belong there. I think definitely for the accounting program would be my professors. So I have Professor Reza and Professor Jalili. But the other business faculty were great. Going back to the small class, I got to know them. Professor Reza, he knew like how I learned best. From that, I was able to do an internship, which is how I got my position now. So I think that was definitely one of the major pluses of the accounting program. As I said earlier, I'm currently a senior auditor. We do governmental audits. Definitely the accounting program helped in getting that, groundwork of accounting. Classes definitely prepared me for the work. I had a good foundation for like work ethic, and the type of work is similar to what we had, but like it gave me, I feel like, an edge when I started working. Because of my internship, one of the auditors gave me their card. And I had an interview when I was still in school, and then a week after I started.
My career has been a very long career. I have been teaching at NEC since 2006. I always tell my students, if you like me when I'm teaching you, I'm not doing my job. Like a surgeon, like a dentist, when they're working on you, you don't like it. They should like me 1 year into their career. I'm happy with that. They send me emails. They tell me I was ready when I went there. That's what I enjoy. Consult them, I talk to them, I guide them the career-wise. Sometimes personal lives. They come to my office and chit-chat, and that's what I like. When I'm talking about somewhat of a boring topic, and then all of a sudden I see their face, I knew the light bulb went on. That is my pleasure of teaching. We have had I have had students that when they finished, they went and they got very nice jobs in investment firms, in big four accounting firms. They passed CPAs, and a couple of them even got a law degree with their CPA, which is perfect.